So here's how my hair was at first. Just a very normal brown. There had been some like lighter blonde parts that had really grown out. They were barely there anymore, mostly at the ends of the hair. And I was like, I've watched Baby Lights tutorials tons of times. Like, this does not look so hard. Leah, who's my sister, can you help me? And she was like, no. And I was like, no, it looks really easy. Can you help me? And she was like, I'm not comfortable with that. And I was like, trust me, we got it. It doesn't look hard. And she was like, okay, because I basically forced her. The highlighting part is not where this went wrong. The lightening part, surprisingly, is not where this went wrong. She did an amazing job. Her placement was perfection. I actually really liked how this had looked, not color-wise, but placement-wise. And I was like, okay, some toner, this can really help. Leah was like, you know what? Let's put in a few extra foils, a few extra highlights. And I was like, yes, let's just complete this look, bleach all the way to the roots in the front. I love it. I loved it, loved it, loved it. Now here's where every fucking thing went wrong. Everything went wrong here. As you can see, I thought that was a toner. Guess what it is? Permanent hair dye, not a toner. That was permanent dye that I just put on my whole head. And even though my brown wasn't bleached, oh, don't worry. It lifted. Oh, it really lifted. Look at the orange. Oh. So I'm freaking out. I'm like, what am I going to do? I have a Mia Thermopolis post-makeover moment where I just bucket hatted my whole hair away while I got products to fix it. We got a dark toning gloss for the back and a light for the front. Here's us doing the light all over the whole head because I was like, maybe it'll lighten some of the other parts or at least cover the orange. And it did cover the orange really well, as you can see, but it left that blonde bleached part in the front so purple gray. And I know that toner washes out, but it doesn't wash out for a few washes. And I was like, the front of my hair is purple and it does not match the back of my head, which is pretty much just brown, but not my normal color brown, like lightened orange. So I'm just really not feeling it here. And I'm like, Manic Panic washes out in 6 washes anyways. Do I just go pick up a jar of Manic Panic? Do I just get the jar of Manic Panic? Because this looks really crazy. So I might as well just embrace the crazy, right? So I did it. I got the Manic Panic and oh my God, I love it. I love it. It's so much better. Oh my God, it's so much better. Purple versus orange, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 every time. Felt like Mal from Descendants. Feel like I can go turn into a dragon. Very happy with it.